Open the user catalogue. Open the panels section. Add a new folder. Add a new rectangular panel. Delete the frame. Now divide the panel into two parts. Select hinged leaf. Hide the frame sides. Define the frame size. Add an extra internal pane. Hide the frame sides. Divide the pane into 3 horizontal sections. Delete the frame again. Define pane sizes. Add a profile. Add a grid with vertical elements to the central section. Specify a grid size. Now set the materials. Confirm. And save the panel in the user catalogue.